Good morning, the world. Good morning, Nigeria. It's me once again, Mr. Femi A in the Owolabi. This morning, 26th of February, 2020. I am in one of our farm that we just finished setting up, and we eventually stock it last night. Though before getting here was serious stories. I thank God that I'm still alive today and I'm able to do this. Uh, this is the feed me section that we just put together. As you can see from here, this is you can see this is the feed me section, which you can see the controller and everything. This is the armor. I'm gonna open it for you to see. So you can see it will soon be in the use, and from here to go to the main mixer. You see, it's a serious work in here, all done by Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited, and that is the gen that's going to power it. You can see it. That's the gen that is powering it, all put together by Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. And we are moving to the piggery section now. This is the overhead tank, and this is the piggery section, as we all can see. Let me move from here. Yes, you can see that's my face. The brain behind what you're seeing here. You can see this is another style of construction. This is basically with wood and brick. We didn't use galvanized pole here, so this is just a cut cast. And as you can see, what we have here, this is some of the raw materials that we needed for the mixing of our feed, which we are going to do this morning. Yeah, because we have stopped the pen, and as you can see, this is we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 7. This is one of the animals that we stopped this morning. This is large white. This is large white boa, and you can see, and this is a large white, almost about to cross. Yeah, just stop them. Just brought them from just yesterday, and this is a landrace boa. As you can see, the landrace boa is almost ready to cross. It's really hungry right now. We have to come and settle there. I think we have one something. Okay, this is where we have our Hampshires. They're Hampshires. They're about to clocking about to cross, and this is where we have our land rate. No, drop. Yeah, you can see it there. And this is where we have our land race females. So you see, we have other sections too, but for now, this is where we're going to. Yeah, good morning. How you doing? So that's just what we've stopped so far. For now, you can see all the job that we did. This is a poultry section, so many other places, so many other things that is being put together, all by Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. So in case you want to set up like this with both poultry, integrated farming, you can always reach us. You can always reach out to us. Yeah. Once again, I'm Mr. Femi A, Owolabi, the MDCO of Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. And if you want any of our service, either training or setting up of your farm or seminar or or corporate or enlightenment on agribusiness or whatever it is that you want from us, you can always reach us on the 070 333 88586 or 08154 177 316. 08154 177 316, 070 333 88586. You can always go online on Facebook and search for Morakempire Farms and Investment Limited. Then you can like our YouTube page by clicking the subscribe button and like it. Then you get more information daily. Thank you very much for watching our video. I remain yours, Mr. Femi A, Owolabi.